Gardaí have launched a murder investigation into the deaths of Tadhg Farrell and his 60-year-old grandaunt Mary Holt in a fire at a house in County Offaly on Saturday evening. A second woman was seriously injured and is receiving treatment at the Midland Regional Hospital, currently in Tullamore. And Newstalk's reporter Kyle Butler joins us now. Kyle, you were in Edenderry yesterday. Please bring us up to speed with what has been an absolutely tragic case.
Certainly is. It is a tragic story, Ciara. Look, Gardaí are continuing a murder investigation this morning into what they describe as a deliberate, callous and murderous attack on a home in Castleview in Edenderry in County Offaly. Now, 2 people died in the fire. So there was 60-year-old Mary Holt, who worked locally in a nursing home, and 4-year-old little Tadhg Farrell. This really is a devastating story. Now, it's understood Mary was Tadhg's grandaunt, and the remains were removed from the scene yesterday. And when I was there yesterday, when that was happening, the family members were also present.
The Gardaí are following a definite line of inquiry. Anyone with information obviously should bring it to the attention of the Gardaí. The people responsible should hand themselves in immediately. They will be brought to justice, and I'm confident that will happen. I know that one line of inquiry that is being considered is whether or not the individuals who were killed and who were injured obviously had no involvement in the drugs trade, but there's a suggestion and a line of inquiry that this may have been related or carried out by dangerous criminals involved in the drugs trade. Clearly an attack that was designed to kill. This wasn't, by calling it arson, I think underscores the severity of it. This was a murder that was carried out by using fire to kill the people in the house. When you look at the damage to the property, you can see that there is very visible damage. There was obviously accelerants that were used. The people in the house had very little opportunity to save themselves from this attack. And I know I'm shocked by the savagery, but all I would say to the public is like attacks such as this and the violence we saw in terms of what is a murderous attack, they're relatively unusual here in Ireland. But I can also assure people that the Gardaí will pursue these people who are responsible for it relentlessly and to be brought to justice. The Gardaí have a very good record in terms of tracking down dangerous and violent criminals, and anyone with information needs to bring that information to the attention of the Gardaí.